In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two charts in TradingView. Let's dive right in and explore how to set up and manage a multi-chart layout, a very useful feature for those who want to keep an eye on multiple markets or compare different stocks and assets simultaneously. First, you'll want to enable the multi-chart layout. So, start by opening your current chart layout. Look for the Select Layout button situated on the top toolbar, which appears like a grid or square icon. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various layout options. Choose the one with two charts side by side. It's important to be aware of your account type, as the Essential or free users can only have a single chart. However, if you're on the Pro plan, you can have up to two charts. If you've opted for the Pro Plus plan, you can expand to 4 charts, and with Premium, you have the flexibility of having up to 8 charts at your disposal. Once you have your multi-chart layout ready, the next step is to manage and adjust your charts. Every chart operates independently. You can easily scroll through data, zoom in and out for detail, and add indicators, tools, or drawings as you prefer. At times, you might want to focus on a single chart within your layout. Fortunately, TradingView allows you to maximize one chart without losing the overall view. To do this, you can click on Maximize Chart located in the chart's bottom corner. Alternatively, if you're using a Windows system, press Alt and Enter, or for Mac users, Option and Enter. You can also Alt-click or Option-click directly on the chart you want to maximize. Now, let's talk about synchronizing settings across your two charts. TradingView offers a convenient feature where you can sync vital elements like the symbol or stock ticker, the time frame interval, crosshair, time and date ranges, and even your drawings. To enable this synchronization, once again click on the Select Layout icon and toggle the elements you wish to sync. There's also a handy sync icon in the toolbar that allows you to group charts and choose the particular components you want to have in sync. Finally, it's crucial to save your multi-chart setup so you don't have to configure everything from scratch each time. Simply click on the Manage Layouts drop-down located on the top toolbar. You'll have the option to select Save Layout, or, alternatively, opt for Autosave if you prefer TradingView to automatically save your changes. Anytime you wish to return to your saved configuration, head over to Manage Layouts and select Load Layout. And there you have it, a seamless way to handle multiple charts in TradingView. With these steps, you can efficiently monitor different charts, customize them to your needs, and ensure that your workspace is always ready for your next trading session.